Resend is a emails for developers. The best way to reach humans instead of spam folders, deliver transactional and marketing email at scale. So Resend is emails for developers. They can use their APIs and then through those APIs can reach the goals of the company to send the emails to their customers, and it's very feasible and very easy to use. I have used it myself, and this is first class developer experience, as well as they have reached 100,000 users recently. They also has React emails as a library, so you can use it for templating your email for all the clients. So they have also many great users and great user interface, and that's all. Let's go through one of their blogs. So Resend Rex 100,000 users, and let's read this blog. Since launching publicly 10 months ago, we crossed 10,000 verified users on Resend. Our open source project already at 12,181 stars on GitHub and 200,000 weekly downloads on NPM around. Resend is powering millions of emails sent every month with a small team of 6 people. Here's a recap of our journey so far and what's next. How we got here. Every idea has a story, and ours starts in August 2022. Reimagining emails. Boo and I using multiple tools for email at both our full-time jobs and side projects, but they all felt outdated, slow, built for marketers, not developers. We also had to deal with emails landing in spam folder and felt the pain of building a beautiful email template that would work the same in every email client. So we started playing with the idea of building the Stripe of email. September 2022, first customer. Once we had a working MVP, we started it with a friend who was working at another startup. He liked it and started using it in production. We sent him a $10 payment link as a way to validate if the product was really good or not. To our surprise, he paid, which gave us the confidence to apply to Y Combinator. They fund startups, and also there is a lot of great videos on the YouTube. December 2022 open source launch. We launched React Email because we were frustrated by how difficult it was to build a modern email template that works well across all email clients. This project caught the attention of a lot of people and became clear that this was just the tip of iceberg. January 2023 Hello World. Resend was incorporated in January 2023. We shared the news online. The response was overwhelmingly positive, and the announcement tweet alone had more than 1 million views. This also the month Johnny joined our founding team as operations manager. April 2023 $3 million seed round. Once we finished Y Combinator, we raised a 3 million seed round and see full list of investors. We also had our first team gathering at Lisbon, Portugal. June 2023 public launch. So before they were testing MVP and having customers, but now they are launching publicly, and after operating behind a wait list, we finally opened the product to everyone. December 2023, and they have 1,000 paying users. We celebrated 1,000 paying customers as we closed the first year of Resend as a company. January 2023, they started looking forward. We organized our second launch week, and this time we called it Resend Forward. This marked the launch of marketing emails and turned the Resend into multi-product company. April 2024, first 100,000 users. After 10 months since launching Resend publicly, we reached 100,000 users. Well done. That's a great number. Where are we going? If we do our job correctly, Resend will become one of the best ways for humans to communicate. Deeper into tech stack, we looking at feature requests that user bring up. There are still a lot of gaps that our product does not fill. We want Resend to be de facto email solution for developers, and that means we need to keep improving our API libraries and components. Users should be able not only to send emails but also to receive them, and we are working on a feature that will allow them to just do that. Stellar deliverability. Deliverability is a team sport. There is only so much you can do as an email provider, and services like Resend are only as good as their senders. Our plan is to embed some of the lessons learned about deliverability into the product and create a series of educational content, and that will help users to improve quality of their email list and content they send. Support as a feature. Many companies see their support team as a cost center. For them, it's just a group of people that handles issues, complaints, or as an expensive add-on to drive revenue. We feel the opposite. We know that great support is the core part of what makes Resend valuable. We know that phenomenal support not only helps us retain customers but also help us grow with word of mouth, and word of mouth meaning spreading organically. That's why we will continue to push the limits by decreasing tickets with stellar dogs, AI chat trained with our data, as well as improve response and resolution times with internal tooling and automations. It's not just about email. Resend is not an email company. It's a communication. When we were brainstorming the name of the company, we wanted to make sure it was broad enough to encompass more than just email. We starting with email as a niche to focus on, but the ultimate goal is to expand into other communication channels such as SMS, WhatsApp, push notification, and more. This is a multi-year journey, but we are excited about the possibilities. I am looking forward to sharing every step of the way with you. Good. So it was a nice article.